Hi everyone, good day. Hope you all are doing good. So today we will be discussing about upgrading a Fortianalyzer. So we will start with uh, all the steps that are required before considering or before planning for the upgrade of an Fortianalyzer. So what we will be discussing is we will be discussing our agenda for this video will be we will be checking the compatibility matrix. Compatibility matrix is basically whether the software version which you are upgrading is compatible with the FortiGates that are running in your environment currently. Let's say you have FortiGates or 40 other FortiGate devices which are running a version 6.0 or 6.2 or 6.4 or any version. Whether these FortiGates will be compatible with the FortiAnalyzer version you are planning to upgrade to. So let's say in our case, we will be upgrading to 7.2. So we'll see whether FortiGate 6.4 will be compatible with 7.2 software version and other way around. So compatibility matrix is checking the compatibility of the FortiAnalyzer software version with the software version of the FortiGates running. Then we will be discussing about the upgrade path, like what is the upgrade path, how you can plan for the upgrade, whether it will be a interim or intermediate upgrade, or whether it will be a direct upgrade from the software version you are running. So basically, we need to check the upgrade path for the target software version. Then we will also be discussing how to download the images from the support portal, and I will be let you know like before the upgrade what all things we should do, and we should keep it ready before starting an upgrade. Then after that, I will be showing you the actual upgrade of the device where we will be seeing the upgrade of the device. And once we upgrade the device, I will be telling you about the post upgrade checks using which you can verify whether the upgrade is successful or not. And then finally, we will confirm whether the upgrade was successful. So first, let us talk about checking compatibility metrics. What is compatibility matrix? As the name says, like this is how you can verify whether the software version you are planning to upgrade is compatible with the FortiGates or not. So you can simply Google in the compatibility matrix, Fortianalyzer compatibility matrix, and you will be able to get the relevant documents from the Fortinet, or alternatively, you can go to docs.fortinet.com and you can download the compatibility matrix. So let's say if we are planning now based on our, let's see how we can do it. So you just simply have to open uh, google.com and type Fortianalyzer compatibility matrix. So once you see, you will be getting a link from the docs.fortinet.com. You can go and click this document and you will get the compatibility with FortiOS. Or you can simply go to docs.fortinet.com, select the product as Fortianalyzer, and here you have to select the version you are upgrading to. Let's say in our test we will be upgrading to software version 7.2. So I will select here select version as 7.2, and you can scroll down, and the bottom you will see the compatibility. So if you click on compatibility matrix, you will see, okay, download this compatibility matrix guide. You need to click on download and you will get the compatibility matrix guide. So compatibility matrix, understanding the compatibility matrix is on the top, the horizontal, you have the Fortianalyzer software version. So as you can see, it shows 5.606. All the software versions of the Fortianalyzers are listed here. So my target version is 7.2.0. I need to check my target version and the version of the FortiGates I am running. So let's say my FortiGate is running 6.0 or 6.2 and any other software version. So you need to see if the FortiOS version is compatible with the Fortianalyzer version. So you will see here check boxes whether this software version is compatible with the Fortianalyzer software version. So if you find that your FortiGate software version is compatible, you need to see this checkbox here. So as I see, let's in my case, I have FortiGates running 647 and 648. So I see, yeah, it's very much compatible with my software, with my target version. So this way we can verify whether the FortiOS software version is compatible with the FortiAnalyzer software version. So once the compatibility matrix is verified, then you can decide, are you okay to go for an upgrade of the Fortianalyzer, or do you need to upgrade your FortiGates as well, or you can decide like you should upgrade the FortiGates first or the Fortianalyzer first. So based on the compatibility matrix, it helps us to decide whether my FortiGates will be compatible with the Fortianalyzer version. So after verifying the compatibility matrix, now we need to plan for the upgrade, or we can say upgrade preparation. What happens like during the upgrade preparation? So here I will be telling you like all the things which you should consider before starting an upgrade. So what we need to do, what we need to have before the upgrade, we need to have the software version already downloaded to our PC. We should also arrange a console access to the FortiAnalyzer. This is needed just in case of any emergency or due to any issue if the FortiAnalyzer is not reachable, or to keep an eye on to what's actually going on in the background. So console is good if we arrange the console to the FortiAnalyzer as well. Then before upgrading, we should also see what is the current status of our devices, and whether the current FortiGates, all the FortiGates managed by the FortiAnalyzer, are they up and running, or all are green, so that once we upgrade or after the upgrade, we should not be in surprises like whether this FortiGate went down after the upgrade or it was down already. So we should make sure and we should make a note of all those things before the upgrade, so that we can compare later on, okay, that our device is upgraded successfully. Then I have given you some commands as well, like where you can verify the dialog log device. Basically, what it gives the add-on quotas. If you have add-ons running onto the FortiAnalyzer, and this you can save it to compare it after the upgrade, so that we can see like our device is successfully upgraded. And we also need to have the backup of our system configuration, means we should take a backup of the FortiAnalyzer configuration just in case, or if because of any issues, if we need to roll back, so this system configuration can be helpful. And at the same time, we should also make sure that there are no reports are running, any reports which are running on the FortiAnalyzer based on the schedule during the upgrade itself. Let's say you have planned, or you have the upgrade starting from 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. midnight for 2 hours, for example. So you should not have any other reports running at 10 or 11, because if there are reports running during the upgrade, then they will fail and you may not be able to get the reports and may cause issues with your reports, because reports will try to execute and run at the same time there will be an upgrade going on. So make sure that you don't have any reports running or scheduled for that particular duration. So once we are done with all upgrade preparation, we downloaded the image, we made the console cable ready, we checked all the status before the upgrade, then we should we should start for the upgrade. I'm also going to tell you about how to download the images. Here I have just mentioned the steps to download, but I will also be showing it how to download. Let's see how to download. Uh, you need to go to a browser and go to a portal, and you have to select. We will go to support and we'll select firmware download. Once firmware download is selected, you need to select the product here under this. So let's say we have FortiAnalyzer. Let's go to FortiAnalyzer. We'll select FortiAnalyzer and select download. From download, you need to go to your target version which you are planning. Let's say 7 and 7.2. 7.2.0. For me, I'm now upgrading to now 7.2. And let's say you have to choose the hardware that you have. So based on the hardware, there is a different software image for each hardware. So 3700F, let's say I have, you have to click on this and click on HTTPS. Once you click on HTTPS, your download will start, and once download is completed, you have your image ready to be upgraded. So after downloading the image, let's go. We have to upgrade our device. We are ready to upgrade the device. I know there are, like, for an enterprise, if we think of, we get so many questions like how much will be the downtime, or will there be any impact during the upgrade. So basically, if a Fortianalyzer is down for some time, there is no operational impact on the traffic, but you won't be able to get the logs during that time, during the upgrade. So any logs which are sent during the upgrade time will be queued at the FortiGate devices, and they will be sent once the Forti analyzer is up and running. Once the Forti analyzer is up and running, and so the impact will be only from a logging perspective, nothing on the traffic wise, because Fortianalyzer is just for logging and analysis purpose. And approximate time for the upgrade is around 15-20 minutes, but it varies based on the log size or the log data you have on your Fortianalyzer. Sometimes there may be a need to do a database rebuild because of huge log size, let's say in TBs or in 100 of GBs. So sometimes it also requires a DB rebuild or indexing of the DB. But that is all taken care automatically. You don't have to do anything. But yes, those are the things which you should think of. Okay, so as told, before upgrading, let us verify a few things. Let us make sure that no other admin is logged in during the upgrade. So you can use the command diag system admin session list on the Fortianalyzer, and which will tell you who all the users are currently logged in. As we can see, like, user admin is logged in, and here also admin is logged in. This is showing two times because of I have logged in from the GUI and I have logged in from the SSH. So okay, so we make sure that no other user is logged in during the upgrade. Then I had told you, like, we can say dialog device to check like what are the different quotas which are pre-allocated for different devices. So we'll capture these outputs, and we can see like what is the current memory allocated and what is available. So this will help us to compare the outputs after the upgrade. So once we verified this, then we have to start our upgrade. So for the upgrade, we'll go to the GUI and we'll check it. Let's go to the GUI. Okay, now we are onto the GUI. Okay, so now let's go to the GUI and start our upgrade. I'm logging into my device, and you have to go to the root add-on. Once you go to root add-on, you have to go to admin and say upgrade firmware. There are two ways basically to upgrade the firmware. One is the offline where we already downloaded the file and we kept it. That is what where we downloaded from the support portal and kept the file. The other way is the FortiGuard firmware. FortiGuard firmware is like uh, it online checks for the software version with FortiGuard, and it publishes all the list which are available based on the current version. So here you can see my current version. These are the software versions which are available on the FortiGuard. So I can select this. In this case, we don't need to download the software version, but I will recommend instead of FortiGuard we should use it offline, because if in case of any issues in the internet or because of any checksum issues, if there is a problem, so I will recommend to have it offline rather than FortiGuard. Let's use the offline version. Browse, and I will go to my download where I had just downloaded the software version. I will select this software version, and we have to say backup configuration. We already checked, like we should already take the backup before even the upgrade. So we will not again take this configuration backup, because that was already taken before this as part of our pre-upgrade check. There was one point where I had mentioned that you should take the backup configuration of the Fortianalyzer. So I already took the backup configuration, and I don't want to take the same backup configuration again. So I removed this checkbox. If you want to do this again, you can select this enable checkbox, and then you have to select whether you want that backup configuration to be encrypted or non-encrypted. If you want encryption, then you have to supply the password for the encryption, and this password you have to remember and keep a note of it, because if you want to restore the configuration, then again it will be asking the same encryption password. So if you missed the password or if you forgot the password, you may not be able to restore the configuration, and then this configuration backup will be useless for us. So for now I am not enabling the encryption, and even I am not doing a backup, because I already took the backup, and we have to start the upgrade. So this upgrade, let's say image, based on the time, we have started it around 3 3 p.m. as per my time, and based on your internet speed or based on your connectivity from your laptop to the Fortianalyzer, this may take some time. And what it will be doing is basically it's just uploading the image from your local laptop which you had downloaded to the Fortianalyzer. So once this image is uploaded to the FAZ, and then FAZ will be going for a reboot, and FAZ will get upgrade and will reboot and will come after a reboot. So all this process generally takes around 15 minutes for the entire upgrade process. And once the upgrade is success, you will be again on the same page where it will be up and running. So let us upgrade this, and I will keep you posted, and I will continue once this is uploaded. Yeah, so we can see like our image is uploaded, and now the upgrade has started. And during the upgrade, the Fortianalyzer will try to do an upgrade, and then it will restart. So we have to wait for around 10 minutes. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes for all this upgrade. So let us wait till the upgrade completes. So for me, the image upgrade or upload, sorry, it's not upgrade, image upload process took around 6 minutes. And then we'll see how much time this upgrade is going to take. So upgrade will take around 10 minutes. So that is what I had given an estimate, like around 15 minutes it takes for the entire upgrade process to complete. Yeah, so we can see it's upgraded. It came back. Let us log in and see whether it's upgraded. So once it is upgraded, it will reboot, it will come back, and you will be able to log in back to your Fortianalyzer. We'll go to root, and we can see like Fortianalyzer is upgraded to 7.2.0. So with this, our upgrade is successful, and the total time that took for the entire upgrade, from downloading the image till uploading and then upgrading, was around 20 minutes. So as I told, the upgrade time will be around 15 to 20 minutes depending on the size of the database we have. So hope it was clear. The upgrade process was clear for everyone. For any questions, clarifications, or if you have any inputs or queries related to upgrade, you can simply comment onto the video, and I will be happy to share the answers or inputs that I can provide on for your queries. Thank you guys. Thank you.